Now I'm down at the sacrum, sacral base. That's okay.
Can you make her take another poop?
Yeah, if I adjust one spot, that happens sometimes. So we have Aaron here today. His dog's name is
Hopper.
Hopper. And how old is Hopper?
Hopper's 3.
3 years old, and he's from the DR, Dominican Republic.
Yeah, she's from Iguay. She was abandoned by her owner in the Dominican, and I adopted her through SocialTees, which is a rescue organization in the Lower East Side.
Oh,
East
cool.
Village.
So I'll put that link in the video too. So what do you notice? Any changes with the dog?
I got a great story for you. She actually jumped off this roof.
Of this
You
building?
walk outside, yeah, which is like about 1.5 stories up.
Yeah.
And she was only 3 weeks old, and she had no injuries. But I noticed that she runs sometimes leaning on her right side, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
She's never had any pain, but these dogs are known for hip dysplasia.
Yeah. So we'll look at the hips today. Now, chiropractic doesn't necessarily cure hip dysplasia. Hip dysplasia is something that needs to be managed. So if it's severe hip dysplasia, we can only do really light work around it. But it's never bad to keep a pelvis balanced. So it's good to keep a pelvis balanced if a human is pregnant, because it helps with labor and delivery. It helps with a dog with hip dysplasia to have a balanced pelvis. And the more optimal you can make their gait, the better off they do, and the less wear and tear and degeneration they have. So we're probably going to hop right into it. What do you think? And also
that is her name, Hopper. So hop away.
And if you want, you get a little adjustment too. The first thing I'm going to check is the space between the wings of the atlas. And let's move her head down and then back up. And I'm checking range of motion. It comes up nice that way. That's the superior range of motion. It's a little resistant going down, so I think there's some tension there. Do you ever notice, does she have trouble reaching down for food, or does she get tired when she eats? So I'm going to we have it's called an inferior atlas, where the whole atlas is tilted a little down. So now you're going to hold her head again,
Okay.
her muzzle, okay? And I'm just going to flip that back. One more. Good. Now let's go down again. It should glide nicer, a little nicer. Let's do one more time.
She's definitely going to resist you, just so you know.
So now I'm also going to adjust a left superior atlas.
He loves you. Yeah.
Got it.
It's your friend.
Now I'm going to check the lower cervicals. I found something here at C5, so bring her head this way. Got it. Coming down. Now I'm between the upper thoracics, and I'm just palpating. And I'm looking for, here's one right here. Got it? Very small. You're not going to hear cracks like you do on a human. Now I'm down at the sacrum, sacral base. That's okay.
Can you make her take another poop?
Yeah, if I adjust one spot, that happens sometimes. So let me check the shoulder.
Yep. Very nice.
Bring the arm out a little bit. Watch your own crotch area.
Yep.
Good. Check this arm. Shoulder.
You doing good?
Yeah.
You're doing good. Yeah, that's your friend.
Good.
Shoving all over this thing.
Feeling all the muscles down the back on either side of the spine.
Yeah.
Good.
Nice.
I do want to bring her rear end up and extend
Yeah.
the back leg, because she did, like you
Yeah,
said, fall
that's
off
fine.
the roof.
Yeah.
So we're going to bring this right leg back. It's very tight. It's very resistant. Let's switch the sides. Both sides are a little tight. Let's check one more time on this side.
She's almost 5 feet long.
So I'm getting a little bilateral leg extension tightness. The first thing I'd like to do is adjust the sacral base. This time I will have you put a ring around her head with your hands like
A
this.
ring?
Like this. Yep. And I'm going to come right in and adjust sacral base. Got it. Try the legs one more time.
Yeah.
It's still tight. So now we're going to adjust the ilium. She might yelp on this one. No, she didn't.
Nice. Yeah, things were good.
Let's bring that leg back. Good. And this side. Now this time I'm going to want you to turn her head this way. So you can turn all the way this way. Back to center. Now I'm going to pull both legs up, okay?
Okay. Oh, nice. Good treat. Good treat.
Now turn the head all the way to the left.
My left.
Towards the window. And turn it all the way to the right. So come shoot this way. Come look straight down at the legs. So stand up. And do you see how the left leg's pulling short? Do you see that? Mm-hmm. Now turn the head all the way the other way. And they even. That means he's still got a right atlas. Got it. Just recheck. That's a big one. That's the last one we're going to do.
Okay.
But hold his head one more time. And we're going to recheck those legs.
Hopper, be nice. It's okay.
They're even. Turn your head all the way to the right.
Window?
Towards the front desk. And they stay even. Great, we're done. So there
She's
was
done?
definitely some upper neck tension.
She's a Jewish Dominican. That's what happens.
Jewish Dominican, that's a great combination.
Yeah, she's got a crazy mother.
She speaks Spanish. Speaks Spanish and Yiddish, probably.
Yeah. Okay, yay! You did it! You did it again!
So we always like to see the dog shake at the end if possible. Dogs and horses do a different version of that. But when a dog you adjust the dog and a dog at the end goes like, that's really good because it's kind of accepting it, resetting its nervous system. It's a happy moment for the dog. The dog is integrating through its nervous system what we just did with the adjustment.
1, 2, 3. Head near me. Dad loves you. He's your best friend in the world. Yeah, who's your best friend? Yeah, that's a shot. You're being nice. You're a good girl. Love you. I'm purebred Jew, no Dominican. So yeah, it's all tight.
Good, now here's the bad side. Ready? That's it.